Hey everyone. Just a little bit of an update video. I've been quiet for a bit. You can hear my voice here. I've been sick. Picked up some viral infection. Yeah, I was bugged over a week. So, sorry, I haven't got much done. Well, I did do some stuff, but I still had to compile the video and edit and do all that. So, almost all the drums are all completely done on the transmission. I've just got this one left now. I need to remove that little spring plate out of there so I can get underneath there. There's some seals I need to replace there. Done all the friction plates on all the other ones. This one here as well. There's new ones inside here as well. So yeah, once I'm done there, I can just finish up all those seals, and then we can start assembling the transmission. I've even got I had that seal done as well. I just sent it to Holomatic because the thing is, let's just get out. Oops. There's this weird nut on here, so for me to take it out was a bit of a pain because I don't have a socket like that, and I couldn't find one online. Well, I could, but only overseas. Yeah, shipping would have taken forever. So what I'm busy with right now is I'm just cleaning up the remainder of the transmission casing. You can see here, nice and clean, and that side looks like, yeah, so the stuff is quite stubborn. So get this thing cleaned up, and then, oh yes, the reason why I did not take that out, that spring plate inside, is because I need to make another one of these. As you can see, I'm busy here. Made the markings because I actually didn't see it in the manual when I was looking. So the size on this one is a bit different, so I have to make one. Luckily I've got extra steel, so I just need to make one so I can press that one out. And then I've done some work on the interior. Yeah, now it's a separate video on that. I'm gonna spoil it now. And then I'm busy with, as you can see, I've just got the bottom part of the seat there. The leather is absolutely terrible. I've been sanding it and cleaning it up, prepping it before I do a color change on it, because what we're going to do is we're going to take the backrest from there and merge them with that. And then yeah, color change. I just have to clean up, sort out the wiring as well. And then we'll be coming back to the front soon to finish up the rest of the front. I just took a break from the front because the wiring and all this nonsense I had with having to do all those helicoils and stuff, it frustrated me to no end. And then yeah, I was so tired as well, and I think that was the reason I got sick, because my body was it just had enough. I was just overtired. So yeah, there is quite a bit of content coming now on the transmission, and then of course the interior. And then yeah, there's some rubbers and stuff I've been doing around the doors and stuff, so you'll see that in the coming videos. For now, let's get this thing all cleaned up, and then you'll see all this hopefully fully assembled and getting ready for me to break my back and get this thing back onto the car. So yeah, if you haven't watched any of the other videos yet, please do, and then like, subscribe, keep the channel going, share with your friends as well. Get my views up, really appreciate it. Ciao.